Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect rank math with WordPress for schema and SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the plugins option and click on it. In the plugins section, click on add new. In the search bar, type rank math. Find the rank math SEO plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. After installation, click on the Activate button. Once activated, you will be redirected to a setup wizard. Follow the prompts to configure the basic settings of rank math. Connect your rank math account if prompted. If you don't have an account, create one by following the instructions. After connecting your account, the wizard will guide you through additional settings. Configure your site's type, such as a blog, business site, or online store. Fill in the necessary details for your site, including social profiles. Next, set up the sitemap settings as recommended. Choose the schema options based on your content type. Select any additional features you wish to enable, such as SEO analysis. Once all settings are configured, click on the Finish Setup button. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to rank math in the sidebar. Click on General Settings to adjust further configurations. Explore options under the Titles and Meta tab for optimizing page titles. Ensure that your schema markup is correctly set under the Schema tab. You can customize the schema type for each post or page as needed. Navigate to the 404 Monitor tab to track any broken links. Then, head to the Redirections tab if you need to set up redirects. Finally, regularly check the Rank Math dashboard for SEO performance insights. You are now set to enhance your SEO using Rank Math with WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.